This is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I will show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the Google Play Store and download the free Caffeine app. So let me quickly do that. Well, as you can clearly see, something is not right with my Play Store, so let me quickly reload the app and try looking for the Caffeine once again. Yep. So here is the app that I was looking for. So let's quickly download and install it. Once the app is ready, you gotta simply launch it. In here, make sure that the timeout section was set to be at the infinite value. And as long as the Caffeine app will remain active in the background, your screen will not automatically turn itself off. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.